So what are these?
Axle stands.
Can we have a look inside?
Give me a chance to get in the door, do you?
Yeah, I thought you were actually going to axe the box for him. I was like, what is he going to do? I was just about to stand back. You got them from Retco, eh?
No, super cheap.
Oh. This is my dad unboxing a axle stand. Oh, nice. I've had two of them. Two axle stands. Oh, no way. These are really cool. They're pretty light, too. They're light. Do you want to explain how they work?
You just release the lever and they go down. And they come up.
Oh, cool. Oh, nice. So when you do that, when you release it, it go down like that. And you do that, go spread out, and we can have a look at the axle stand. Oh, this is the axle stand, and that's the jack. I'm curious of what the jack actually... Oh. That is cool. So, these pretty much just come out like that, all in one piece. You put them in there. Then when you lift the jack down... Hang on, don't unbox it yet. Hang on, I haven't got the camera. Oh, let's just go down like that. See what? Simple. This is my dad unboxing the axle stand. Trolley jack, sorry. Why did I got these things on my mind now. Rather than that. Use this hydraulic trolley jack with suitable rated vehicle support stands. Not included, but they're in separate packages, eh? These can hold up to 2,000 kgs, 2 tons. Whew, that's quite heavy. Working load limit, 1,600 kgs. 360 rotatable lifting head cap. See, you can just like spin it and spin it and spin it, eh?
Yeah.
Spin that little part right there. I don't know. And always keep the box when you get something new in case it doesn't work.
That's right.
Don't worry about the packaging, just keep the box, eh? I got it. There we go. Oh, here she comes, Oh. Almost had it.
Almost.
Yeah, that's good. That's good yank out. Interesting. Move these to the side. Little axle stands, and you wanna give him a demo? Give him a demo on how it actually works. Oh, extendable part. That's extendable. That's neat. Little extendable part.
Alright.
The wheels on it as well. It's got a little skateboard wheels on it, eh? Look. They're actually made from metal. Metal wheels.
Bolt. We haven't got a nut that goes with it.
Air purge procedure. Did you pick these up today? This and this.
Yes.
Nice. So
Yeah, like that.
and locks in position. It's not working.
You've got to do the nut up first.
Ah, gotta do that little fella up.
Yeah.
That's what it does all the work. Oh, cool. Can I give it a try?
Yeah. I've got to find a nut for this bolt. Pushes it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. I wasn't recording. Right, and lift it all the way out and then undo the nut. All the way up. So that's got a little thing that spins around.
Yeah. That goes like that.
Oh, Bennett, that thing goes high. Look how high it goes.
Won't go much further.
Bennett.
There you go. That's as
And
high
then-
as it goes.
Can I do the thing and... So this is the part that you have to put on, and you put this little piece on here. You twist it.
Yeah. What are you doing in that?
You do that. Goes all the way down.
Yeah.
Cool. I love it.
Yeah.
I find it pretty useful actually. It's pretty good.
I'm going to find a nut for this bolt.
Huh?
Haven't got a nut.
That's pretty cool, eh? Very neat.
This is one in here.
Oh.
There's one.
Oh, I see it. Tip it out. Here she is. There it is. That's what new nuts look like, and they have a little rubber thing on the inside of it.
That's a Nylock. It's called a Nylock nut. That.
Ah, that's cool.
Mm.
And you put the nut on like that. And this is the warranty thing on it as well as the warranty. It's called a 1600 kg low profile trolley jack.
1.6 ton.
Oh wow! So these things here can actually lift up to 2 tons. Oh. You do that. Oh. I tried to do it like this, where it just went bonk, like that. Just like that, look, watch. This is really neat. In good condition too, eh? Yeah. Lifts up just like that. If these are made from these are made from solid metal, so there's no way it's going to damage it if it actually just drops straight down.
Well, don't abuse tools.
I know. It is pure metal though, and that's good. See, like that. Do the same to that. Go straight down like that. Simple.
Right, put them on one side.
That is pretty cool. Or shall we put them back in the box?
Put them on one side.
We'll keep the boxes though in case something goes wrong. Alright, well, if that just wears out or instantly, or that, and you need to take it back. What's the warning say on it? June's. I want to read the warning sign. See, look, this thing's pretty cool, eh? Like that, see? Like that. You do that, and it'll lift it straight up. Simple, like that. Look at that, Dad. You turn that to... and it'll just go down. That is cool. You do that to tighten it up again, and then these things actually here are called ratchet car stands. So if this thing can support over 1.6 tons of weight. Whew. That is heavy. I'll give a little demonstration here. You see that? I'm not trying to abuse it or anything. I just want to show him how high it can go. That's all. Like he's showing me. That's as high as it can go, and like this, look, watch.
Yep.
See if look, it's going down.
And it's slowly, ain't it?
Yeah, and look. When I turn it, it went down rather quick actually. I haven't gone out tight yet. This is pretty much hydraulic like that, see? Look.
Yeah.
That is amazing! I love it! I love this thing, it's pretty cool. So you got ratchet car stands there, guys. 2 of them. And one, you got 1.6 ton kg weight supporting low profile trolley jack. And they're both the same brand. Tool Pro. And this thing is just so, oh wow, it's so satisfying, eh?
Yeah.
You think? Cool. You do that? Watch. I'm turning it now. It's going down. Simple. Alright guys, that's about a wrap for that video. If you did enjoy, like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you all next time. Bye guys. Stay tuned for more. Who knows, we might even do a video on these actually operating on the car. Cheers for watching guys. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.